Hello, what is your name?
My name is Mary Ann Loyo,
How old are you?
37 years old,
What is your religion?
Catholic,
Are you married?
single,
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years and 5 months.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes.
Where?
In Doha, Qatar.
How many years?
2 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your previous employer?
1 month.
Where's your employer living in?
Yun Long.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
900 square meters.
Square feet, okay. How many family member there?
4 members.
How many children?
2,
How old are they?
18 and 5 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
6:30.
And then?
Taking care of the kid from school. I give him breakfast and give him to school, to send him in school.
And then?
And then I go marketing after the kid go to school.
Okay.
I go marketing and start cleaning the house.
Okay, so what time you cook for the dinner?
I cook dinner. I prepare most of the time 5 o'clock already prepared, and then 6 o'clock we start to cook because the kids they eat first. The 2 kids
Okay.
they must eat first.
So, what time you go to bed?
11.
11 o'clock. Okay,
Yes,
thank you so much.
Thank you.